If your Firestick apps are dead, blocked, or have stopped working, you do not need to waste hours searching random websites. I am going to give you the most reliable downloader code to use in 2026. It is always updated, packed with free tools, and it is the fastest way to replace broken apps with the latest versions and newest releases. Here it is. The downloader code is 28907. In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how to use it the right way on TechVibes. If this saves you time today, hit the like button right now. It helps more Fire TV users find this code. This code gives you access to a full library of apps that are kept current, so you are not stuck installing old versions that break after a week. It is perfect if you want to replace apps that stopped working, find alternatives when something disappears, get newer versions faster, or discover brand new releases without hunting around. Step 1. Make sure you have the downloader app. From the Fire TV home screen, go to Find, Search, type Downloader, download the orange app, and open it. If you have Downloader installed, hit like because you are already halfway done. Now, depending on your version, you might see the new number pad button. If you do, just tap that and enter 28907. If you do not see it, no problem. Just use the URL box, then hit go. This takes you to the download page. To prevent automated attacks from accessing the page and slowing things down for real users, you will quickly need to generate a token. Just follow the instructions on the screen to get your free token. It only takes a few seconds, and that gives you full access to the downloads page for 30 minutes completely free. You will then see a list of download categories. Select any category you are interested in, then choose an app from the list. If you want more information about an app before installing it, select the info link next to the app icon. To install the app, scroll down until you see the light blue download button and select it. Now here is a quick tip for you. If clicking the blue download button gets stuck on connecting or shows an error, try the backup download link instead, just underneath. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once the app finishes installing, select Done. Then select Delete and confirm Delete again. This removes the installation file and frees up storage space on your Fire TV. You can now find the app in your app screen and start using it. If you installed your first app successfully, smash the like button. It tells YouTube that this guide is helpful. One of the reasons this is the best downloader code is because it is built around keeping apps up to date, with the latest versions, newest releases, and working links. The fastest way to get a broken link fixed is simple. Go to that exact app's download page and click the report button. That report goes to the right place for that specific app so it can be corrected quickly. So that is it. The best downloader code in 2026 is 28907. If your old apps stopped working, got replaced, or just are not reliable anymore, this is the fastest way to get fresh alternatives, new releases, and updated versions without hunting all over the internet. I hope this helped you get your setup running smoothly again. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button to support the channel. Subscribe to TechVibes for more tutorials, and leave a comment below letting me know which app you were looking for. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.